Are you interested in making a beautiful decor to your home? Which is easy too. If at all you're interested, then you're watching the right video. And today we shall start with one of those. Hey viewers, today we are going to make flower wreath, which is all easy and gives a warm welcome to your door. Take a tissue of any color and size you want. Use square pieces of it and fold it as shown. Cut it and make beautiful flowers out of it. We just tried showing two kinds of it in this video. To make a ring, use any cardboard and cut it in any shape you wish. And cover the frame with tissue paper. Then stick each flowers on the frame in different patterns as you wish. This turned out to be a lovely flower wreath. Doesn't this give a warm welcome at the entrance of your door? Do give this a try, which looks lovely at your doorstep. Hope you like this video. To continue the journey with us, please subscribe, like, hit the bell icon to get all our updates. Thank you.